Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss obtaining inverse Laplace transform by using a method of partial fraction. Using a method of partial fraction means, if you see the example, find the inverse Laplace transform of this example, you see the denominator. If you see the denominator, applying inverse Laplace transformation directly is not possible. When it is not possible, then what to do? We have to solve this denominator by using partial fraction method. Then it has to be simplified. After simplification, we can go for applying inverse Laplace transformation. Then we will be getting the results. So what to do now? Very first, instead of applying inverse Laplace transform on this directly what we do? We solve this denominator by partial fraction method. How? Let us see. 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3, which is given. How do you write this? By partial fraction method, it is a divided by s plus b divided by s plus 1 plus c divided by s plus 2 plus d divided by s plus 3. s plus 3. Okay. Therefore, by partial fraction method, how do you take? What we do here, the whole equation will be multiplied by the denominator of LHS. This whole equation. Then what happens? We'll be getting 1 is equal to, means this multiplied whole equation to this. Then this is equal to, when this whole equation is multiplied, s get cancelled. Therefore, what we will be getting? A into s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. Fine. Plus b into when s plus 1 get cancelled, then it is s into s plus 2 into s plus 3. Fine. Plus c into s plus 2 gone. So it is s into s plus 1 into s plus 3 plus d into s plus 3 gone. So it is s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. Fine. Then what to do? What are the values we can substitute? Let us see. We can put s is equal to 0. Then s plus 1 is equal to 0. S plus 1 equal to 0 means s is equal to minus 1. Then we can put s plus 2 is equal to 0. That means s is equal to minus 2. We can put s plus 3 is equal to 0, which means s is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. If you substitute this result one by one, if you put s is equal to 0, then what happens? Here 1, 2, 3, in 3 places s is equal to 0, so which becomes straight away 0. Therefore 1 is equal to a into s is equal to 0 means it is 1, 2, 3. All other b, c and d, that term becomes 0 only. Therefore a is equal to what? 1 is equal to 6a. Therefore a is equal to 1 by 6. We got a. Similarly, if you put s is equal to minus 1, here minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, this is gone again. Therefore 1 is equal to, in the LHS no s, so 1 only. This is equal to, a term is 0, only we are going to get b term, where s is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 plus 2 will be 1, then minus 1 plus 3 will be 2. Therefore b is equal to, you can see minus 2. So if it goes to the other end, it is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, when we put s is equal to minus 2, this term is 0, this term will be 0, this term will be 0. Only c will survive. Therefore 1 is equal to c into minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Then minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, C is equal to 2. If it goes to the other end, it is plus 1 by 2. Fine. Then 1 is equal to, put S is equal to minus 3. If you put S is equal to minus 3, this term is gone, this term is gone, this term is gone. Only this term will be there. So 1 is equal to D into minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, and minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1. Therefore D is equal to minus will be minus, then it will be 6, so it is minus 1 by 6. Okay, therefore the given equation becomes, that given equation is 1 divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 into S plus 3, that is equal to A. A is 1 by 6, so it is 1 by 6 into 1 by S, plus B is minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 into 1 divided by S plus 1. Then C is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into 1 divided by S plus 2, then minus 1 by 6 into 1 divided by S plus 3. S plus 3. Now apply Laplace inverse on both sides. Therefore, Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 into S plus 3 is equal to 1 by 6 into Laplace inverse of 1 by S minus 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S plus 2 minus 1 by 6 into Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S plus 3. Therefore, Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2 into S plus 3 is equal to, okay, what is Laplace inverse of 1 by S? 1. Minus 1 by 2 into, what is Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S plus 1? E raised to minus t, plus 1 by 2 into, what is Laplace inverse of 1 divided by S plus 2? E raised to minus 2t, minus 1 by 6 into, what is Laplace inverse of this? E raised to minus 3t. Okay, therefore this is equal to 1 by 6 minus e raised to minus t divided by 2 plus e raised to minus 2t divided by